Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I am featuring the stamp set called Cute Fruit. Now, I have just launched a new online class, and this has the most projects in it for the lowest price point. There are 8 super cute designs with 8 video tutorials and supplies enough to make all 8 card designs. This online class package would be great to gift to a beginner crafter or to the minimalist stamper. That's a person who loves to craft but doesn't have all the crafty things. This class is also representative of the clean and simple style that I like to share on Mondays. So if you are anything like me, you will love this class. The fun projects and lower cost doesn't mean the quality will be any less than any of my other online classes. If anything, I put a little more effort into making this class a lot of fun. I'll leave the link in the video description if you want to register for this class, or if you're watching on a mobile app and you're not able to see the link, you can go to www.sunstampin.com/classes to register. All right, so I have a Whisper White thick card base here, and it is I'm using my little Stamparatus grid paper here for masking, just a real quick masking, and the colors that I have of the ink pads above are Daffodil Delight, Flirty Flamingo, Real Red, Granny Apple Green, and Shaded Spruce. I'm starting off with I started off with the pineapple shape, the banana shape, moving on to the watermelon shape. I think this also could be an apple, or if you wanted, or a peach, if you have imagination. I'm sort of going with the cantaloupe or honeydew melon with this one. I've stamped off once. And I am cleaning the stamps to the side. I just cut that part out of the video because it's uninteresting. So this is the bushy part of the pineapple, and I inked it up with Granny Apple Green, and then I used a sponge dauber and daubed on some of the shaded spruce just to give a little bit of dimension in that pineapple top, I guess you can call it. And it's pretty cool, this stamp set. It is very whimsical. There are 2 happy smiley faces, and also one smiley face that looks like a big, French mustache. I mustache you a question. And you could easily put these on fruits. And that's why I think this is sort of like a very, very cute fruit, very whimsical stamp set. Of course, I didn't put the smiley faces on because I'm not that cute. But I did enjoy stamping the fruit, except for the banana. I'm not into bananas. I don't like bananas. I have a story about a banana. My dad, who grew up in Germany, kind of during the wartime, and he had saved up some money to go and purchase a banana. He had never tasted one before in his life. It must have been unripe, because he said that he took a bite of it and threw it as far as he could get it away from himself because he hated it. Did not like the banana. And I guess, like back in those days, and the export must have been really, really hard. So, and I personally don't like bananas now. Please don't give me hate or shade on me, please. I'm just not fond of bananas. Anyway, you can see what I'm doing here. Not that I needed to side story for my bananas, but I am just stamping fruit. And this is a mixed fruit, a fruit salad, if you will, card. And it's simple stamping. There will be a little bit more layers here, but I am just trying to fill it up with as much fruit as I can. And don't forget, I did notice right here that I forgot to stamp the lime. So out comes the Granny Apple Green, stamping off, and stamped it right there. All right, so moving on, I have a piece of Granny Apple Green strip. It is slightly bigger than 3/4 inch, and this Whisper White paper is 3/4 inch. I stamped the Wishing You a Slice of Happiness with my basic gray Stampin' Spot, because my basic gray, the big pad I have, is the old one, and it's kind of weird. I used my new Stampin' Seal for the to stick those two together, and now I just have 4 dimensionals. I know only 4, but I have put those 4 on the back of my little sentiment strip, and it's going to go the whole length of the card, about an inch from the bottom, trimming off the excess and making sure the crease is really good. And that is my share for today. Thank you so very much for joining me, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.